Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taking Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Let's try for once. Let's get into Messenger and let's send some message and delete it. So now if we tap on this, there is no such option as recovering it. Let's get into details and we cannot find the recover option. So what we can do is we need to download this app called on messages. Simply tap on this. We need to have this downloaded before deleting the message, so make sure you download this and keep this app. And we need to turn on the settings and click on receive messages so that we can get the messages of Messenger in this as well. So in this chat we can find the deleted messages as well. So that is all we can do to recover deleted messages from Messenger. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.